आज कोफिशिएंट ऑफ वेरिएशन में हम करेंगे टाइप्स ऑफ कंटिन्यूस सीरीज। पिछले वीडियो में हम कंटिन्यूस सीरीज तक हो चुके थे। अब टाइप्स ऑफ कंटिन्यूस सीरीज में देयर आर 5 टाइप्स ऑफ कंटिन्यूस सीरीज। नंबर 1, व्हेन क्वेश्चन इज गिवन inclusive series. What is the recognition of inclusive series? Marks 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20, 21 to 25. Frequency 3, 5, 7, 8, 7। अब इंक्लूसिव सीरीज को हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे एक्सक्लूसिव सीरीज में। एक्सक्लूसिव सीरीज में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए ये देखा जाएगा कि यहाँ पर डिफरेंस कितना है। डिफरेंस है 1, तो हाफ ऑफ डिफरेंस वी शुड डिडक्ट फ्रॉम द L1। हाफ ऑफ डिफरेंस इज इक्वल टू 0.5 लेस करेंगे फ्रॉम L1 में से, तो हमारा नया आ जाएगा न्यू L1। और हाफ ऑफ डिफरेंस इज इक्वल टू 0.5 ऐड करेंगे इन L2 में, तो हमारा न्यू L2 आ जाएगा। इन द कंडीशन ऑफ दिस एग्जांपल, मार्क्स 1 minus 0.5 0.5, 5 plus 0.5 5.5, 6 minus 0.5 5.5, 10 plus 0.5 10.5, hence 10.5 to 15.5, 15.5 to 20.5, and 25.5 to 25.5. So the recognition of exclusive series is every L2 will be same next L1. So here 5.5, here 5.5, 10.5, 10.5, 15.5, 15.5, 20.5 and 20.5. After that we should write frequency as it is 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 8, 7. After that we should use all method which we have used in the continuous series. What is the method of continuous series? We should draw 5 column table for mean and 1 column extra for standard deviation. The formula will be same. A is equal to x plus minus sigma f dx upon n. After that, theta is equal to under root sigma f dx square upon n minus sigma f dx upon n whole square. For the calculation of mean and standard deviation, after that we should use CV. CV is equal to standard deviation upon A multiplied by 100. This formula we should use. After that, second method is the second type of continuous series when question is given in mid value. In the condition of mid value, given in mid value. For example, marks. Every time along with marks there will be mid value. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. After that frequency 3, 7, 8, 12, 10, 50. In this condition, first we should find difference between item. Difference is equal to 10. Half of difference we should less from the item, so we should get L1. Half of difference if we should add in item, so we should get L2. See here, marks 10 minus 5 5, 10 plus 5, half of difference means 5 marks. It will be 15. 20 minus 5, 15. 20 plus 5, 25, 30 minus 5, 25, 30 plus 5, 35, 40 minus 5, 35, and 40 plus 5, 45, 50 minus 5, 45, and 50 plus 5, 55. After that, we should write frequency as it is which is given in the question. This will be 3, 7, 8, 12, 15. After that, we should compute mid value for mean and standard deviation. So mid value, we can check this group is correct or not. How we should convert? L1 plus L2 divided by 2. So it will be here 20 divided by 2, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we can check our group is correct or not. After that, we should use same formula. A is equal to x plus minus sigma f dx upon n for mean, and for standard deviation, theta is equal to under root sigma f dx square upon n minus sigma f dx upon n whole square. After calculation of both formula and both answer, we should use this formula. Coefficient of variation is equal to standard deviation upon a multiplied by 100. So this is second types of continuous series. After that, number third, when question is given below. When question is given below. In the condition of below, or less than or under, and Hindi we can say secant, meaning is same, marks in the bracket below. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Frequency 3, 7, 10, 15, 20. In the condition of below, first we should find difference between items. The difference is here. We will see 10 differences here in each item. So which item is given? That will be L2. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So difference we should less. 10 minus 10, 0. 10, 20, 30, 40. After that, we will see if frequency is given ascending or descending order. So in the condition of below, we can change frequency. 3, 7 minus 3, 4, 10 minus 7, 3, 15 minus 10, 5, and 20 minus 15, 5. And this total will be same of last frequency which is given in the question. After that, we should draw same table, 6 column table. First 5 column for mean and 6 column we should use for standard deviation, and for coefficient of variation we should use this formula, answer of standard deviation upon answer of mean multiplied by 100. If frequency is given not given in the ascending order, in this condition we should write frequency as it is. Already we have done this type of question in mean, median and mode also. After that, number 4, when question is given more than. Question is given more than, over, above. In Hindi we can say अधिक. Marks in the bracket above or more than. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Frequency 3, 7, 12, 15, 25. In this condition, we will see what is the difference between item, and here difference is 5, 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So which item is given? That will be L1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And if we should add difference 5 plus 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. After that we will see if frequency is given ascending order, then we should convert 3, 7 minus 3 4, 12 minus 7 5, 15 minus 12 3, and 25 minus 15 10, and this total will be same of last frequency. After that we should draw 6 column table. First 5 column we should use for mean, and 6 column we should use for standard deviation, and the answer of standard deviation and mean we can find coefficient of variation. After that, number 5, when first item is equal, in this condition we should write marks. Number 5, this when first item is equal, first item is equal. For example, marks 0 to 10, 0 to 20, 0 to 30, 0 to 40, 0 to 50. Frequency 3, 5, 10, 15, 20. In the condition of first item equal, so we should assume these item is not given in the question, and we should write here below. All method we should use which we have used in the condition of below. So here first we should calculate difference between item. Which item is given, that will be L2, and we should deduct difference, so we can find L1. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Frequency, if frequency is given ascending or descending order, then we should convert, otherwise we should write as it is. 3, 2, 5, 5, 5, and this total will be equal of last frequency which is given in the question. Then we should use mean formula, standard deviation formula. Finding of mean and standard deviation we should use, we can find coefficient of variation on the basis of standard deviation answer and mean answer, and answer will come in percentage. Thank you.